So when I'm here, I'm gonna have my hands on the knees, and I want to have my toes engaged. I don't want to be too deep here. X pass is going to be from me across my arms, making X with my arms. So I'm going to circle right to the side. And see, I'm kind of closing his knee whenever I'm doing this. I don't have to just jump. I can, but a little later on. And he's not just going to fall over to the side for me. So I'm here, closing, X pass, far knee, goes knee on belly. All right, you guys come around here for me. Now, a couple times I'm gonna be sitting here on my heel just so I can kind of get weight off him so I can talk. Now we're gonna do two different ones. If he pushes with his, we're gonna do a couple of different ones actually. If he pushes at my chest with his near arm, or if he pushes with his far arm towards my chest, this is gonna be looking at our arm bars. If he pushes at my knee, I'm gonna be looking at a Kimura. Okay, so we're gonna start off with just him pushing with his near arm, and when I'm in my position, knee on belly, out to the side, and I want to go ahead and drive weight on him. Okay, so go ahead and push. He's going to be pushing. When I get here, I don't want to just kind of relax here. I want to clamp down and pull that up. Then my step's going to be, I'm stepping, keeping my weight on him, stepping over the head. Once I get it tight, I want to fall back. Before I fall back, knee on the belly, I need to slide it up to his armpit. Now keep this tight to his neck. See, I kind of bring him up with me. That's fine, as long as I stay tight. Keep my knees, and I just set my foot back to the floor and keep his wrist to my chest. Okay. The other side this time.
Sharp knee, man.
Sorry.
Stab me.